it's Maple Shell. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime with no borax or glue. So yeah, let's get started. The ingredients you would need is a mixing tool, a bowl, 3-in-1 with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and salt. First thing you want to do is squirt some 3-in-1. Now you just want to mix it until there's lots and lots of bubbles. There's lots and lots of bubbles now. Now we're going to add a pinch of salt.
And a pinch of salt.
So, I'm just going to put it like this. So now let's mix. If I add too much, also will be really liquidy. After you can see, it's coming together. Now we right back when this is well mixed. So I mix more out. The shower turned down right. If you guys did, please comment below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.